there, huh?
Yeah, for his birthday.
That's for my. I've got birthday.
You had a birthday toy, yeah?
Oh, is that for your birthday? How old?
My
3.
birthday's over now.
Your birthday is over now. yeah.
What grade are you in school?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going
It's
back
fifth
home.
grade.
They say I can
Oh
have
boy,
it
you
here.
can. Looks
Teddy
like
said
you're
I
gonna
can have it here.
Looks like you're going to be making money in your life.
Yes.
You right?
Are you gonna make money in your life?
What is this is
Yeah.
Cash register.
Somebody likes that.
Yeah, I think so.
I had one. I mean, I think all kids should have it.
Yeah, they're fun. And
So
this
you're
one
3
is so
years
cute.
old?
Say yeah.
Oh boy, that's cash register. Nice. Boy,
cake
nice to have a birthday.
Yes, it is.
wedding.
You love having birthdays, don't you? You love your presents, don't you?
Oh, well, he's cute. Well,
Thank
happy
you.
birthday.
Say thank you.
Yeah.
He's so
Yeah.
Thank you.
There he goes. He's like, I'm
can't
so
wait to
excited
get
now
home
we
with
can't.
that.
Yep.
I think the
Say
same.
yep. Okay, sounds good. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Say bye.
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 Have
Have a
fun.
good night.
Have a good night.
Well, good night. I mean, is he here only?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I
Yep.
thought
Yep.
probably. Well,
Yeah.
I didn't teach that age, but you can. I mean, he's really smart.
Thanks. We think he's pretty sharp.
Yeah, but he is. He thinks of things like you wouldn't think.
Yeah,
of.
yeah.
Just like he was talking to
This
me
is
on
fun.
the stage.
Yeah, I know he's
I
fun.
bet he should be talking to straight.
Yeah, well, I know that's something we'll have to work on, right?
I came over here. I lost my cell phone. I can't find my cell phone.
Oh no, you
And
still can't
it's
find
dead.
it.
It's dead somewhere,
course.
you know. And I don't know. I thought I just went a couple blocks and I walk and I